dear customizators, welcome to Electric Solar Boat, episode 8. In the last episode, we finished custom-made 3D printed boat control panel. It was very interesting making and assembling all the mechanical components needed to make it work. Make sure to check it out if you didn't already. In this episode, our roof is leaking. Ivona plays with black paste. We make ugly into beautiful, and Ivona, let's customize. As almost all components are now finished, it is time to start doing some wiring. First you remove the isolation, then you put heat shrink, and then you put the cable lug. As I don't have the tool to press in the cable lugs, I decided to solder them. After soldering is done, I put back the heat shrink and heat shrink it. This is the potentiometer for throttle control. It needs to be connected to motor control board. I am now twisting the potentiometer wires. Twisting the wires helps in reducing electromagnetic interferences that might be caused by the motor controller. I am now soldering the wires for the switch that will be used to toggle through display functionalities. This is where the wire from the potentiometer but also the disabled drives which go on the motor controller. I will talk more about the disabled drive switch in the coming episodes. This switch will be used to power on the motor controller. I was just soldering cable lugs to the main power lines coming from the battery that needs to be connected to this switch, and then the rain started again. These are really not good working conditions. We should really speak to the manager about that roof that is leaking. Anyways, the rain eventually stopped and we continued to work on the wiring. And then this happened. So what really happened? Let's take a look. She said the boat landed on her leg somehow. So basically all organs are in place, no broken toes or anything, and no animals were harmed during the filming of this episode. Moving on. And this is the wiring for the control panel done. We have connected the potentiometer for controlling the motor speed. We connected the reverse relay switch that will activate the relay when the handle is moved to the side. We connected all the switches that will be used to power on or off the rest of the boat systems. This switch will be used to toggle the various functions of the display, and this is the relay that will be used to activate the boat horn. Time to remove these temporary holders I made for the control board and make the final assembly. Maybe this isn't a bad time for you to consider liking this video or consider subscribing. A lot more interesting content is coming. Come on. Hit it! Hit it now! I hope this wiring thing wasn't too boring for you. We can now do some woodworking restoration. By chamfering this piece, I am making this rudder more hydrodynamically efficient. I was not satisfied with these hard angles on this wood, so I decided to make nice fillets on everything. Ivona started sanding this handle for the rudder, but it didn't take much time for me to decide I would like to do some modifications on it. I'm changing this design and making it much more rounder and smoother. At this time we decided to paint the boat pedal mounts. We are sealing the wood cracks with Sika to get this nice old school looking wood that is also well protected. And that is all for today's episode. Stay customized.